Hi friends, now we are going to discuss about the benefits of physical activity and exercise. Exercise is defined as any movement that makes your body muscles work and requires your body to burn calories. There are many types of physical activities including swimming, running, jogging, walking and dancing. Being active has been shown to have many health benefits physically, mentally, emotionally, etc. It may even help you live longer and comfort. First point or first benefit is strong bones and muscles. Exercise plays a vital role in building and maintaining strong muscles and bones. Physical activity like weightlifting, jumping, sprinting, etc. can stimulate muscle building when paired with adequate protein intake. This is because exercise helps release hormones that promotes the ability of your muscles to absorb amino acids. This helps the muscle grow and reduce the breakdowns. The high intensity exercises are also helps to make strong bones and as compared to the low intensity exercises. Next, increased energy level. Exercise can be a real energy booster for healthy people as well as those suffering from various medical conditions. Engaging in regular physical activity can increase our energy levels. This is true even in people with fatigue and those suffering from serious illness. Physical activity helps the individual to store more glycogen and glucose within their muscles and blood. That makes our body more comfort to use energy as in a ready form. Next benefit is weight loss. Physical activity helps us to burn more calories from our body. Moderate physical activity with proper diet will be more effective in weight loss process. Regular physical activity has been shown to increase your metabolic rate, which burn more calories and help you to lose more weight. In addition of that point, studies have shown that combining aerobic exercise with weight training can maximize the fat loss and muscle gain. Next point is exercise can make you feel happier. Exercise has shown to improve your mood and decrease feeling of depression, anxiety and stress. Active participation in exercise and games regulates our hormonal actions, and also it helps to reduce the secretion of stress hormones like epinephrine, cortisol, etc. Next, free from hypokinetic diseases. Hypokinetic diseases means diseases that occurs due to lack of physical activities. For example, obesity, hypertension, diabetes, osteoporosis, some kind of cancers, stroke, etc. Daily physical activity is recommended to reduce belly fat and decrease the risk of developing other illness. All the hypokinetic diseases are life-threatening diseases. So we have to more aware about it and do the needful at the earliest. Next point is brain health and memory. Exercise can improve brain function and protect memory and thinking skills. Exercise increases the level of heart rate, which promotes the flow of blood and oxygen to your brain. It can stimulate the production of hormones and can enhance the growth and development of brain cells. Exercise has been shown to reduce changes in the brain that can cause Alzheimer's disease due to the aging process. Next point is relaxation and sleep capacity. Regular exercise can help you relax and sleep better. The energy depletion during the exercise helps the individual to sleep well. The increase in body temperature that occurs during exercise is thought to improve sleep quality. Regular physical activity, regardless of whether it is aerobic or a combination of aerobic and resistance training, can help you sleep better and feel more energized during the day. Our next point is efficiency of the heart and lungs. The regular exercise makes our heart and lungs strong and helps to increase the functionality. While doing exercises, body needs high amount of oxygenated blood to produce energy. The amount of blood will be pumped by the combined effect of heart and lungs. Regular and moderate exercise increase the stroke volume of the heart and tidal volume of the lungs. It helps our body to get sufficient amount of oxygenated blood with the minimum effort and very easily. Next point is increase the physical condition of the body. Regular physical activity improve our physical capacities like strength, speed, endurance, coordination, flexibility, body composition, and etc. The increased physical qualities make you physically fit and you are able to perform very well with your body easily and conveniently. Next point is better immunity. Physical activity may help flush out the bacteria through lungs and airways. This may reduce your chance of getting a cold, flu, or other illness. Exercise causes changes in the level of antibodies and white blood cells in our body and also increase the body temperature during exercise. These all processes are boost up our body immunity and help our body to fight against illness. Thank you.